Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be a contact lens try-on featuring lenses from TTD. If I'm not mistaken, it means the third eye that defines. I'm pretty sure nakita nyo na to sa Facebook or Instagram ads. And they were so kind enough to send me a couple of their lenses. And I'm so excited to share to you guys kasi feeling ko eto guys, walang halong biro. This is not sponsored. I'm not paid whatsoever. But feeling ko, they might be the best contact lens in the market when it comes to shades, when it comes to options and everything. So a little bit of background. I've been a contact lens user for so many years. As in from college all the way hanggang sa nagtatrabaho na. My grade was, it started from 100 and then umakit na siya to 400 and 500 mark. Hindi lang ako magsuot ng contact lens nung nagpa-LASIK surgery na ako. So nagsusuot na lang ako ng contact lens every time my event, you know, to vamp up my eye makeup and whatnot. Or kung wala akong like bonggang eye makeup, yung contact lens ang nagdadala. Gets niyo ba? So let me show you a very quick mini unboxing. I have 4 shades. I tried the first one the day I got it, pero nawala na yung box. I can't find the box. So when you get your order, syempre, you have the box of the contact lens, and then meron ka ng case kit. Andun na yung lalagyan ng contact lens. Andun na yung what I call a contact lens thong. Contact lens thong, and then yung holder where you can like put it like that. Ito, very useful to for those who have very long nails or yung parang hindi masyadong sanay in putting your contact lens. Pero ako personally, since I have a long history with contact lenses, I just use my, you know, my handy-dandy 2 fingers. Also guys, eto honest to goodness, sa TTD ko lang nalaman na as much as possible, if you have a new contact lens, don't use it right away, like directly. Like pagka-open mo, gamit na agad. As much as possible, you wanna soak it into a fresh contact lens solution for maximum 24 hours before you can use it. Para matagal yung mga, I don't know, residue something. I'm not really familiar with the scientific terms. Okay, so let me show you how I usually put my contact lens. This is going to be cringe for some of you, but you know, this is me. I'm so used now to using contact lenses, so. There. No. So this is our first shade, NOMI Brown. So ito yung wala, ito yung my NOMI Brown, and I have black eyes. So ayan ang comparison, ayan ang difference. I think this is one of the shades na dapat staple sa collection mo because you can't go wrong with a natural looking brown eyes. What I love about this one is hindi siya yung parang in your face na, hey, I have a contact lens. I have a different eye color. And this is so perfect in any occasion. Mapa-wedding man yan, especially wedding actually, because, you know, hindi siya yung parang halatang contact lens. So yeah, this is NOMI Brown. You know what? I haven't actually tried taking out contact lens using the thong. The contact lens thong. So let's try it right now. Nope. I can't. It scares the shit out of me. Next shade we have NOMI Green. So here is the difference of no contact lens and NOMI Green. And this is NOMI Green. Another contact lens color. Now it's going to change the way your eyes look, the way your entire face look. Pero hindi siya again in your face na, hey boom, I'm wearing contact lens. Hindi mukhang luwang-luwa yung mata mo like the other contact lenses, diba? Na alam mo yung halatang-halata naka-contact lens, parang kang alien, parang nakaganon kahit hindi naman. So I love how subtle it changes your, you know, your entire look, your eyes, your everything. So yeah, this is NOMI Green. So guys, this is Rio Blue. I know it's different. Hear me out. It's like an ombre shade. Look. So your upper part is like darker and then yung lower part is like lighter. I mean, pwede siyang, you can like turn it around. Pero ito yung parang pinaka the best position niya. The darker is in the upper and then the lighter is in the lower side. So alam mo yun, para kang merong ocean on your eyes. And it is so pretty. And this is so perfect for like, you know, yung mas glam look, mas bonggang look. But you know, pwede rin naman siya for every day. See the difference? Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? I mean, come on. I'm not trying to project my eyes. I'm not trying to do the sultry look, but the eye color itself, the eye shade, the complexity of the colors, it makes my eyes look sultry, I don't know, sleepy, sexy. Those combinations, good combinations. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. But you know what, this particular shade, this blue shade, this is perfect if you have, you know, on the blonde side of hair. Yes guys, hair color affects the color of your eyes. Later I will show you, I'm going to wear a blonde wig and I'm going to wear this blue contact lens again. But for now, appreciate real blue on my eyes. Oh, it's so pretty. Next shade that I got is called Polar Lights Gray. Ito yung wala, ito yung meron. Obviously. Okay, let me try using this one. I'm still gonna use my fingers. So this is like for bonggang events talaga. If you wanna really amp up your look, va-va-voom type of vibe, you should have a gray or silver-ish contact lens for a total change of look. I guess so this is the last shade that I have. Pero balikan ko lang yung real blue, and then I'm going to change my hair color so we can see the full effect. And this is what I'm talking about, you guys. Blue contact lens really complements blonde hair, platinum blonde hair and the like, and blue contact lens and then red lips. Perfect Taylor Swift. But I hope you get my point. Para masaya, I'm going to link down below yung website ng TTD, and they have an article there dun sa blog nila. Ano ba yung bagay na contact lens depending on your hair color para alam mo yun, magko-complement lahat, as well as your skin tone and everything. Etong masaya, this video is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to send a coupon code, a discount code for you guys in case you're interested to buy. You can get 15% off on your total purchase. Now, kung mag-hoard ka at gusto mong makamura, merong buy 3, you get free 2 colors, or buy 5, you get free 5 additional. So that's like basically 50% off. Again, importante, you use the link down below. Try different brands, different shades, and this is one of the best. It's comfortable. The shades are amazing. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.